Nvidia has teased upcoming Blackwell B100 GPU performance, which is expected to launch in 2024. They teased its performance during SC23 special address. Its performance is expected to be double of that Nvidia H200 Tensor Core GPU, which is already world's most powerful GPU for supercharging AI and HPC workloads. In this address, Nvidia offered some insights into its in-progress Blackwell architecture. This B100 GPU is expected to take the AI performance to next level. Nvidia has teased GPT-3 175 billion inference performance for its upcoming B100 GPU. Also, these GPUs are expected to use TSMC's 3nm manufacturing process, which promises enhanced efficiency. Talking about memory technology, Nvidia's present H200 series is utilizing HBM3E memory technology, which has a throughput of 4.8 TB per second. For its upcoming B100 GPU, Nvidia may not be able to use HBM4 memory technology because it's expected to launch in 2025, so Nvidia is forced to explore some other offerings like from Samsung. With their slides, Nvidia has shown that with the increasing count of LLM parameters, there is a demand for more powerful AI GPU. AMD unveiled Ryzen embedded 7000 series, which is embedded Zen 4 for industrial and edge solutions. This is mainly targeted at industrial markets like automatic, robotics, and edge solutions. It is built on Zen 4 architecture and has integrated Radeon graphics. Its new SKUs will be available at 12-core 24 threads and 6-core 12 threads. It will be available in 3 models, with the one model consuming 65 watt of TDP and the other 2 models, which are overclockable X series models, will consuming a higher 105 watt TDP. Arantech has shown the chart for all the embedded Ryzen CPUs ranging from 7645 up to 7945. And there are also some X variants like 7600X and 7700X, which are consuming more TDP than the normal variants, which are consuming only 65 watts. So the core count can start from 6 cores and can go up to 12 cores for these embedded CPUs. Also, AMD has shown a chart for their embedded 7000 processor, which includes scalable performance up to 12 high performance cores and unparalleled integration with the integrated graphics and hardware accelerated multimedia capability, and also support and longevity, which they are expected to extend up to 7 years. If you are a big fan of very big screen laptops which are also lightweight, you may like LG's new Gram 17 laptop. Its 17-inch display has a 2560 x 1600 IPS display. Its 17-inch display has an IPS panel. It has a resolution of 2516 x 1600 and it has a refresh rate of 60 Hz. It weighs at around 1.35 kilograms or 2.9 lbs, which makes it lighter than many 14-inch laptops. In the specification department, it has a processor of i7-1360P, graphics are Intel Iris Z, and it has a memory of 16 or 32 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and its storage can go up to 1 or 2 TB of SSD. It has a bunch of ports available. Its camera is 1080p front facing with Windows Hello support. In the wireless, it has Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1 and a battery of 80 watt-hour, and its operating system is Windows 11 Home. In their review of this laptop, PC World is praising the portability of Gram 17 laptop. It doesn't include OLED screens, but viewing experience is still great. Each keyboard key is clicky and responsive, which offer a nice level of feedback. It has a great everyday performance, but there is no discrete GPU included in this laptop. But you will not face any issues in the everyday tasks like web browsing, email, Slack, and video calls. If you take a look at the Geekbench 5 multiscore, it is quite faster than the LG Gram 17's 2021 version, but it is slower than Apple MacBook Pro's M2 Pro version. Its 80 watt-hour battery life is quite impressive. In their 720p video loop battery test, it lasted an impressive 15 hours 43 minutes, so most people will be able to get the whole day of battery life from this laptop. Its base model starts at $1,549, which has an Intel Core i5 processor and has 8 GB of RAM and 512 GB of SSD. And its top model has Intel Core i7 processor with 32 GB of RAM, 2 TB of SSD, and it will cost you around 2 grand.